All right, everyone. I figured it would be a good idea to go back and review or maybe take another look at how to implement our landing pages for week 5. East Washington Academy was in charge of week 5, and they have put all of our items onto Schoology. We just need to go grab those items from our courses, or excuse me, our resources, and put them into our courses. So I'm going to go with a video that you can watch over and over and over again if you get confused. So first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and go to Schoology. So I'm going to click and type in muncie.schoology.com. You might have to sign in. All right, 2 different ways to get to your resources. It honestly does not matter which way. I usually go to groups and then find it. You could go to resources, but I'm going to do groups for this one. So the groups that I have, you'll want to find your grade level. So it should be MCS, your grade level grade resource group. So you'll click into there first. And then down on the left side, you'll click resources. And we're going to scroll down and find where it says reading. Click in reading. And you should have a week 5 folder like this. A week 5 folder. All right. All of your items, including your landing page, all of your RML lessons and videos, all of your PWS, all of your response reading or shared reading are going to be in this folder. So we want to copy this whole folder over. So you're going to click just week 5, only week 5, and click edit in the top left corner here and hit add to course. All right, so now you want to find your reading course and click that. And these are all the things that will be copied to it. So if you want to look at it, you can. No big deal. After you look at it, go ahead and click import. It should say your templates have been imported, which is great. So X out. And now we actually want to go to your reading course. So click courses. And then we're going to go to reading course, whatever yours looks like. And you should see it right here. So there it is. Now, in order to get the links, you want to click into week 5 and your landing page should show up. Yours might look different than mine. I believe the younger grades have a different landing page than we do. That's totally fine. You need to make these links live to the items below. And we've done this before. So I'm just going to start at the bottom start at the top here and link all my word study first, which there should be 3, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, and one on Friday. If yours are not listed like mine are, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you can use your curriculum map and that will tell you where you should find it or what day it should be on. So right now my landing page is wrong. I should have a word study Monday, a word study Wednesday, and a word study Friday. So I'm gonna have to change that, which you might have to do that as well, but it's a very simple step. So first thing you wanna do is go to your first item, which is up here. I know this is word study. I know it's on Monday, so I need to right click on it. And I wanna copy the link address. Hopefully you'll start to remember this after I show you a couple times. In order to link the address and put it here, you need to go to the top right gear button, click edit, and wait patiently. All right, if nothing shows up, just click and it will, just a little click. I'm gonna type the words word study here. And I'm going to highlight them. After you highlight them, you want to come find the little chain link up here. Click it. Remember, you copied that link, so you want to right click, paste that link, and hit insert. When it turns blue, you know that it has become a live link. While I'm in here, I'm going to delete Tuesday because we don't have word study on Tuesday, and I'm going to delete word study on Thursday because we don't have it on Thursday. And then I'm going to hit Save Changes. So my first word study is live, and now I'm going to go to my next one, which is the Wednesday word study. So once again, you'll right click, copy the link, come up to the gear, click it, click edit. Once again, if it doesn't show up, just click the page and it will. This is Wednesday word study, so I'm going to click in the box next to Wednesday, type word study. Remember to highlight it, hit the little link. Remember, we copied it, so we need to paste and insert. So you have Monday and Wednesday of word study done on my page. Remember to click Save Changes. We have one more for this week, and it is right here, word study. So right click, copy link address, scroll back up, year, edit. This time it showed up, that was nice. Come to Friday, type in word study, highlight it, link, right click and paste it, insert. This one I'm going to put in the middle because all the other ones are in the middle. And you know, I like when they look nice. So I've done all my word study for the week. The next thing I would be doing is my response to reading on Tuesday, and then the response to reading on Thursday. Continue to do the same process where you go and you right click it, you copy the link address, come up to this gear, make sure you hit edit. When it opens it up, do the same process until you have all of your RMLs for the week, all of your PWS lessons for the week, and your responses for the week. If you have any questions, please email me, or if I am free, I can come help you out. Okie dokie. Thank you.